Welcome to the fourth and final segment in a series of training capsules designed to familiarize you with the essentials of hygiene and sanitation in the school environment. This capsule is intended to summarize the cleaning tasks specific to each type of room found in our schools. When cleaning in a cafeteria or a staff room, or any other location where people eat, a cleaning after each meal service is required, and daily disinfection of the following objects need to take place: tables and counters, chairs, door handles and 18 inches around the handle, door frames, any windows in the door, and if the area has an accessible sink, that will need to be cleaned and disinfected as well. There are a lot of high-touch surfaces in a washroom. If you recall from our last capsule, all the high-touch surfaces require frequent cleaning and disinfection. This means every 2 to 4 hours, minimum 3 times a day. These surfaces are various types of dispensers like toilet paper, paper towels, hand soap, and hand sanitizer. Also toilet bowls and urinals, toilet partitions and doors, sinks, faucets, and countertops, mirrors, trash cans, and any entrance doors. When cleaning in hallways and stairs, periodic cleaning and daily disinfection needs to take place. When the area is in use, cleaning and disinfection needs to occur at least 3 times per day. In your cleaning, be sure to consider railings, classroom doors, windows in the door if they are present, door handles and 18 inches around them, door frames, and water fountains. There are many high-touch surfaces in an entrance, so when working in them, a frequent cleaning and disinfection needs to take place. This means every 2 to 4 hours, minimum 3 times per day. Be sure to consider the windows and doors, door handles and 18 inches around them, door frames, panic bars, buttons, bells, buzzers, and the intercom. Although classrooms and meeting rooms have different functions, the surfaces and objects to be cleaned are very similar. When cleaning in a classroom and meeting room, a cleaning after each use and daily disinfection of the following objects need to take place: desks and table counters, chairs, door handles and 18 inches around them, door frames, light switches, windows in the door if they are present, any accessible sinks, hand soap and disinfectant dispensers, trash cans, and other various classroom objects. There are many high-touch surfaces in a locker room, so when working in them, a cleaning after each use and daily disinfection of the following objects need to take place: the actual lockers, showers and their surrounding floor areas if this area is in use, sinks, faucets, and countertops. Most locker rooms also have a washroom, and you will follow the normal washroom procedure to clean and disinfect that area. When cleaning common rooms such as gyms, libraries, and offices, a cleaning after each use and daily disinfection of the following objects need to take place: desks and table counters, chairs, door handles and 18 inches around them, door frames, windows in the door if they are present, front face of computers, keyboards, and mouse, handles, pins, and benches in a training room, light switches, hand soap and disinfectant dispensers, and trash cans. We have many specialized rooms in our schools and centers at the Lester B. Pearson. Some examples of specialized rooms are computer labs, science labs, or music rooms, just to name a few. Despite their use, certain common objects and needs are found there. It is important to recognize what surfaces may be high touch versus which ones will be low touch when working in these areas. Daily cleaning and disinfecting will vary based on frequency of use. Some items to consider are door handles and 18 inches around them, door frames, sinks, taps, valves pertaining to gas and propane, various equipment, various dispensers, trash cans, recycle bins, computers and computer chairs, any light switches, tables and counters, and glass cabinets. This brings us to the end of our training capsules designed to familiarize you with the essentials of hygiene and sanitation in a school environment. Thank you for watching.